I will be decorating this plate today that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So before I get into it, let me tell you all the supplies that you need. I have a Dollar Tree plate, some Mod Podge, my brush, scissors, and I have some fabric that I picked up at Joann's. So let's get into this DIY. I think, let's see what I have to choose from. Not the green one. This one is pretty too. Oh wow. So I like these two with the Christmas red truck, but I think I will use this one instead of this one. So the material, your plate, that I have some paper towel, and I have my rubbing alcohol that I already washed the plate, but I'm just going to give it a second cleaning on the outside. And it's easy DIY, so let's get started. First, I am going to just spritz some rubbing alcohol, clean it off. So that's that. I'm cleaning the front. I don't necessarily need to clean the front because I will be doing it on the back of the plate, and I'll be using the right side of the fabric this way. So what I'm going to do is, before I'm going to see how I want to do the placement of the trucks. Yeah, because I need to have enough for the lip. So I'm going to cut my material right here. Okay. So what you want to do to be able to see the trucks, this is what you have to do it this way. So now I'll put the Mod Podge on. I'm using my sponge brush. I'm just going to pour it. And you want to do this generously. And try not to have too much streaks because you don't want it to look lumpy. So now I'm going to try to put the center. See if I can center it the way I had it in the front, where they're sitting here. I need the trucks to be on the inside. So just even it out, and then you press. Make sure you press it really good because you want it to be laying flat. Okay, so now that I have everything smoothed out, I'm going to apply my Mod Podge on the outside. Now that the whole thing is saturated, I'm going to leave it to dry, and after it's dry, I will cut off the excess, and then I'll show you how it turns out. So guys, see you in a little bit. For this one, I'm taking off these, and then I'll put them back after I put this on. So let's see if I can get them off. Okay, so as you can see guys, the plate is dry and this is the result. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim around the edges with my scissors. So let's go. I'm going to use the Mod Podge and seal these edges all the way in, and then let it dry, and then I could clean this and I'll show you the end result. So guys, this is the finished product. Let me show you how it looks from the inside, and that's the back. It's all dried now, and using this as my cookie plate for Santa. So I'll be putting some milk and cookies for Santa for the holidays. And with the leftover, let me show you how the trivet looks. So this is a trivet. On the back it's totally dried and I cleaned up the edges. So there you go guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to spread love. Have a great holiday season and God bless.